Hi everybody, this is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel, and today we are going to do some borders that are super fast, super easy, and for the new year. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'm experimenting with different recording devices, so if you notice a few weird things here and there for a while, please excuse them. And in this case, the lighting's kind of weird. What we're doing today is creating borders that are very easy. They look elegant. They only take a couple of minutes, and I absolutely love the way they look. What you do is you start with a line on the left side of your page. You go over towards the right, however far you'd like, and then stop, put in your word or words, and then pick your sweeping line back up and continue to the other side of the page. You can see where I've done that on New Year. I'm also doing something a little bit different this time. I'm adding some close-ups where I'm drawing the words so you can see my process. And then I wanted to show you just a short example of some of the things you can do with these. They look gorgeous. I love them. And they are so fast. I think they would be great for journaling, anything that you wanted to use them for. If you look at that image that I posted here, you'll see where I've done a greeting card in either stationery, or there's one that might look like a recipe card. Now on the zooming in part on this last one, I just wanted to show you how I am creating double letters. Using these double lines causes the letters to show up really well. So it is one avenue to take if you would like for it to stand out. Also on this, I wanted to point out that where you see the word plans, when I'm leading up to it, I kind of swoop up. So at the end of the word plans, I'm trying to pick the line back up about where I left off. I also wanted to point out that you could make little designs if you'd like, which I think looks really cute, any kind of design. But I love the first one the best. It is clean, quick, and looks gorgeous. Now, how long did this take? Only a few moments to create 4 really pretty, awesome borders. I think they look great no matter how much time you have. But if you are in a time crunch, these are great to use. And also, I thought I'd mention, did you notice I did a pin drop? It's kind of like a mic drop, only it's a pin drop. Yeah? Okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you'd subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a wonderful new year. I'll be back soon with the next Doodle with Me video. Bye for now.